Here's a good trig question that asks us to solve a triangle. When they ask us to solve a triangle, I always like to write down all the different letters. And I'm assuming that there's A, B, and C. So I want to know what side A is. I want to know what angle A is. I want to know side B. I want to know angle B. Side B, side C, angle C. I guess I could put angle symbols in front of there. Okay, now for this particular question, I don't know. B, I know B is 24, and I know angle B is 38, and I know angle C is 21 degrees. So here's the information that I have, and I have to figure out the other three things. First off, I know that if I know two angles of a triangle, I can figure the third one out just simply subtracting those from 180. So if I add 21 and 38 together, that gives me about 59. And if I subtract that from 180, it should give me 121. Okay, so that will be angle A. I'll put that in another color. So that's something that I've figured out, 121 degrees. So I need to figure out these other two angles, or other two sides. Let's first maybe draw this triangle. So it's probably going to look something like this. There's a real big angle, 121. So it's probably something like this. Something like that. And then these things sort of join like that. So it'll be something like that. Let's maybe put some things on it. Angle A would be 121, or this angle here is A, and it's 121. Let's put B over on this side. Angle B is 38, and we'll put C over here, and C is 21. Side B is 24. This side over here is 24. That's side B. I'm going to assume side A over here is quite a bit longer than that one. And C is probably a little bit shorter, but we'll do the math and see what comes out. One piece of information that I can get from what formula to use from this information is that I know a side and I know its angle. If I know a side and its angle, I'm going to be using the law of sines. So let's maybe first go for side A. We'll use black for that one. So I need to include this as one of the ratios because I'm looking for side A. And then the other ratio that I'll use, either this one or this one, is whichever one I know information about. I know information about B, so I'll use that one. So it's B over sine B. And now I plug numbers in. A I don't know. Over sine A, angle A is 121, equals side B, 24, over the sine of angle B is 38. Okay, to calculate this I can do ratio and proportion. I'll basically just multiply both sides by the sine of 121 to get A by itself. Okay, so now I've got my formula, 24 times sine 121 divided sine 38. Okay, let me try it. 24 times sine of 121 divided by the sine of 38. Go. Okay, and what do I get? Oh, I didn't get a number. Go. There I got a number. 33.4. So side A is 33.4. So this side here, 33.4. Side A, 33.4. And I said it would probably be bigger than this one, so yeah, 33 sounds about right. And this one over here, I said because the angle's shorter, this side will probably be shorter. We'll see. Now I do have an A and a B here, and I'm just dying to say, well, I know two sides. I can go C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared and solve for C. If this isn't a right triangle, can't use that. So don't be tempted to use that one because it's not a right triangle. I'm going to have to go back and use one of those ratios up there. Okay, so I want to find C, so I need the C ratio. C over sine C equals, I know the B one, so I'll use B again. B over sine B. Okay, plug the numbers in just like this one, solve, and you'll find side C, and you'll have solved for all pieces of that triangle. Okay, hopefully that helps you with law of sines.